And he said, please help me introduce associate V partner. You turn and you see the guy coming from that elevated platform. Immediately, oh, that's the important guy. I better open my notes, write down everything he says. Human nature, right? Some of our greatest personalities, okay, were edified. That's how they became significant in history. Alright? Now, don't edify yourself. Do you understand? And don't stress edification to yourself. Excuse me, by the way, I'm very successful, I'm a great networker, you must listen to me. That's purely moronic. That's ego-driven and moronic. The power of edification is other people edify you. You cannot edify yourself. It is impossible. Do you understand? So when you understand the importance of edification, the importance of empowering your working upline, your leader, AVPs, V Council, V partners, right? It is crucial in our business. Network marketing, rule 3, 8 basic building blocks, empty your cup. I hope you watched these videos, and now I'm introducing this video on the concept of edification. Now, the philosophy of edification, all right, must be sincere, is divided to action and words or a combination of both, must be factual with a little bit of spices, but don't overdo it, don't lie, all right, because that person cannot live up to your edification. But most importantly, the biggest thing you must remember about edification, it benefits you when you edify somebody else. It doesn't lower you in any way. You edify someone else, benefits you, benefits your group, benefits your business, raise your checks. Alright? Now, not only people can be edified. Of course, we partner, AVP, V Council, upline, leaders, those are people. Those are personality-based edification. Alright? But I'm telling you, I have taken edification to a new level. That is, concepts can be edified. For example, Rule 3, which is my mantra. When you don't know Rule 3, that means your leader did not edify Rule 3. Rule 3 is a networking concept which needs to be edified. How do you edify Rule 3? By speaking about it with great importance. By speaking about it very, very aggressively, intensely. That means I go up on stage and say, ladies and gentlemen, I do Rule 3. That's why I am successful. That's automatically edification of Rule 3. Ladies and gentlemen, the first thing you must do is watch 8 basic building blocks. Without 8 basic building blocks, you can never be successful in this business. Edification of 8 basic building blocks. So concepts can be edified. Alright? Ladies and gentlemen, the sphere of silence. Practice the sphere of silence. It will guarantee you success in business and in life. You are edifying the philosophy of Dato Vijay Ishwaran, sphere of silence. So if you realize every aspect of our life, if you don't edify it or the person, doesn't work. Right? You're sitting there. Let's say you're a parent. You have a child. And your child hates vegetables. Alright? Doesn't want to eat broccoli. So what do? You go in a broccoli edification process. You can even edify a vegetable. How? Oh, this broccoli is delicious. It's good for you. I love it. You know, you be creative. You put broccoli in an extra nice plate with a little bit of M&Ms thrown into it. You know, so M&M broccoli dish, whatever. You can actually edify a vegetable. Right? To make it important, there is automatic trespass that your child wants to eat it. Edification is part and parcel of our lives. But the sad thing is, many people today don't practice it as much. Or we have stopped practicing it. Alright? But in network marketing, no option. You have to understand edification. How important it is. Monkey see, monkey do. My life philosophy, okay? Monkey see, monkey do. So when you start edifying your upline, your leadership, okay? Alright? Automatically, I guarantee you, your downlines will duplicate and edify you when necessary. But if you don't edify, they don't edify, no one edifies, your whole organization will collapse without edification. Alright? Now the V focuses on edification. We have introduction videos for AVPs, V Council leaders. We believe in this philosophy not because of anything else, because it contributes directly to your business growth. It's not something separate. Huh? Don't think it's nice to have edification. Alright? In networking, there's two types of things. Nice to have, must have. A lot of things in network marketing, nice to have. Edification, must have. You must understand edification. You must speak highly of your leaders. You must never de-edify at any point, not even in a private conversation. Sometimes private conversation, actually he's my leader, but he's a moron. Trust me, it will leak out. Alright? And when you de-edify somebody, that person is still cool. You lose your credibility. Edification is the cornerstone, is one of the pillars of network marketing. I want you to understand this. I'm going to include edification in all our training modules around the world, so people understand the importance of this concept of edification. Now, you edify QuestNet every day of your life. True? But do you understand what you're doing? How do you edify QuestNet? Amazing company, credibility, FIFA, United Nations, best network marketing company, the Ferrari of network marketing companies. You edify the V, the greatest upline, 001, the best support system. If you are part of the V, you'll be successful. You're not part of the V, I'm sorry. So bottom line is, edification applies to every aspect of our business. Alright? Voyager magazine, you edify it, people buy it. The website, www.the-v.net. You talk about it, it's a great website. You go there, you get tips. You understand the concept of network marketing. You get to understand what's happening in the world. You edify the website, more people log on to the website. Alright, bottom line, edification is crucial, mandatory, must have in our business. So my message to you in this short video is for you to understand. Mainly, I hope you only take one message sitting down there right now on your sofa, drinking energized water. Alright, I hope you understand that edification is for you. It's about you, it's about the success of your organization. Nothing to do with anyone else. I will edify anyone, alright, sincerely, because it benefits my business. Alright, now the second stage of edification, which is not necessarily applicable to you until you identify a leader you truly want to edify as a sign of respect to the person. That's a personal relationship. To me, my edification of Dato' Vijay is very personal. I respect him, he's my mentor, my teacher, and my edification is slightly different and much higher compared to traditional edification processes we practice in network marketing. That's up to you. You identify a mentor, a teacher, a guide in your life who you respect tremendously, then the edification process goes to a higher level. Alright, and you'll do much more beyond the normal realms or parameters of edification. Now this is a short video. It doesn't mean the message is not important. Right? This message, I hope the concept of edification you accept as one of the most important messages you will take back from me. Alright? Edify, edify, edify. It helps you build a bigger and stronger business. Now a lot of things have been happening, so please keep logging on to www.the-v.net. Check out what V Studios has to offer. There are more videos out there. You need to train yourself. You need to be educated. And remember, empty your cup. 8 basic building blocks. Rule number 3. No excuses. Must do. And now, the concept of edification. Important, crucial. Alright? Thank you very much. I hope to see you somewhere very soon. Okay? I love you guys. The V.